Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So welcome to this mini pick a card. We're exploring how do they honestly and truly feel, and we're just going to explore some quick messages, okay? So I hope you enjoy the read, okay? So if you feel drawn to any of the piles, okay, feel free to have a look, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Or if you want to gather all of the juicy messages from each pile and just take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, feel free to do so. Okay, so we will see you on the other side. And Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So let's have a quick look at this mini pick a card reading. How do they honestly feel? How do they feel about you? How do they honestly and truly feel about you? So we're going to see the messages that came through, okay, for the collective. We have, I honestly feel an intense passion for you that I've never felt before. I honestly feel like I need more space to figure things out. I honestly feel like I've never felt this way about anyone before. I honestly feel overwhelmed by my emotions for you. I truly feel like we were destined to meet. Okay. I truly feel like our relationship is growing stronger every day. Now we're going to leave you with a tarot message and a Jamaican proverb. And let's see what comes through. Let's start with the Jamaican proverb. Can we have a Jamaican proverb, please? And the Jamaican proverb essentially are messages from the ancestors, okay? So let's see what message they want to leave you with. Okay, how do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? How do they honestly and truly feel? We have a Nancy, Ty and Nancy. Now, there's the story, the background story between around the Nancy's. The Nancy's the tale of a little spider that was always up to mischief. Okay, and in Jamaican folklore and West African folklore. However, in regards to this mini pick a card love reading, it represents the energy of someone's own actions tying them up in such a way that they haven't fully expressed how they truly feel. Perhaps they have been hiding these feelings, and these feelings, how it feels like now they may be or have become a prisoner to these feelings, okay? Perhaps also not being honest, not being transparent with their feelings, okay? Not telling the full truth, not being honest with how they truly feel. Caught in a lie, lie after lie, okay? But the message here that we're getting is being honest, being transparent with their feelings, okay? Again, take the messages where they resonate, and we're going to leave you with a tarot card, and let's see what wants to come through and how they honestly and truly feel. How do they honestly and truly feel? So how do they honestly feel about you? Let's see what wants to come through. We have the Four of Wands. So the Four of Wands is this person's really hoping that the two of you are on the same wavelength. Now, if you see, we have one here. This is like several ones, okay? There's like a balance here. They really hope that the two of you can see eye to eye, see from one another's like wavelength, that this can grow, that this can develop further, that feelings can be shared, feelings can be communicated. And it is also like this feeling of being in a safe space where their feelings can be expressed and not feeling no way about it. It feels like this person wants to develop this connection, but they may not know how. Okay, they could be trying to seek new ways, or how, or trying to coming out of their comfort zone to communicate with you, but really hoping that they can grow and this can develop further. Okay, we're going to have a quick look and see what's significant in the front, the middle, and the back. We have the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands. So it feels like this person may be trying to get in this energy of not caring what people think of them. With the Queen of Wands, they could be really wanting to step in that energy of, or even stepping out of their comfort zone and not caring about what people think, or not caring about what their fears think. Because sometimes the fears, the worries can hold you back. And it feels like this person is like not trying to let their fears hinder them, because we have the King of Pentacles in the reverse position. Perhaps this person may have felt like there could be a status issue here. Maybe they could see you as very independent and value you, that like have a lot of value and respect for you, but may feel like they don't have everything just yet to fully come towards you and tell you everything. It feels like there could be some kind of something that this person might be worried about. Maybe it could be like financially, they could be worried about their status, trying to impress you. Okay, and we have the King of Swords. Okay, now when we see the King of Swords, okay, we just say to move with like the caution, because sometimes with the King of Swords in this reverse position, it can represent the energy of like manipulating, trying to manipulate. Okay, so we did say it's a mini card, but we're going to clarify and just see what wants to come through. Okay, can we have a message please for the collective? Let's see what wants to come through. Yes, so we have the Fool, and we have the Knight of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. So this person may want to try and make things work in their favor when it comes towards you. We have the Fool here, so it feels like they want to make new steps to come towards you. Again, we have this energy about, I honestly feel like I need more space to think of things out. And that could be like they don't know exactly what they want to say at this time. So they're trying to like maneuver in this way of thinking, oh, you know what, I know I need time, but I need to be careful with it as well, because I don't want this love opportunity to go anywhere. I'm really hope that I can grow into my own, and Jane can see me for who I am. I'm going to call you Jane. Jane can see me for who I am. Okay, and it feels like that's what they're really hoping, that this can blossom into something beautiful. Okay, so we're going to leave it here, but take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go. I saw it goes, Jamaican Power, and it simply means this is how it goes. Okay, so this is how it goes around here. But do have a look if you haven't already. We'll put it in the link down below. More juicy intuitive gems from our collective reading on how do they honestly feel, and we also have our pick a card playlist as well, so you can gather those juicy intuitive gems. All right, big up yourselves, and Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 2, and we're exploring how do they honestly feel about you. Okay, as part of this mini pick a card reading. Okay, and do have a look at our collective reading as well as our pick a card reading for more how do they honestly feel about you timeless messages. Okay, all right, let's see Gwan for pile 2. And if you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, come and join the community at Gwan, as well as by subscribing. It also allows to connect with your energy so we can gather those juicy intuitive gems together. All right, let's have a look and see what messages are in store for you. I truly feel like I found my soulmate in you. Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I truly feel like you are my safe haven. I truly feel lucky to have found someone like you. I honestly feel like I can't stop thinking about you. I honestly feel anxious about our relationship connection sometimes. I honestly feel like there's something special between us. So, let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through for the collective. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they feel? Ooh, we have, not everything that is good to eat is good to talk. So not everything that is good to eat is good to talk. Okay, and it could be that this person is like really wanting to not share, not give too much away to others. It feels like they kind of want to have those conversations with you, and we can kind of get a feel of it where I honestly feel anxious about our relationship connection sometimes. Perhaps they want to know where they stand with you, or perhaps you both could be feeling like this at times, okay? And it feels like a good conversation can really help you to get that clarity, okay? So don't repeat everything you good to hear, no matter how good it is. Some tea is better left cold. And we have, do not set a hungry duck to watch corn. Okay, so do not set a hungry duck to watch corn. Okay, so this is kind of like, it feels like it's also feeding off the energy here, not giving any temptation, or not giving any temptation to anything. And this could be also the gossip, or like what's the gossip on you, for people to wanting to find out and get all the glory details. And it feels like this person's thinking, you know what, even though I may want to tell or say something, I'm going to keep it to myself, because I know that can only lead to more temptation and people in my business. It feels like that's what's going on here. Let's see with the tarot what wants to come through. So what's the gossip on you? What's the gossip on you? Well, we're going to look at what's the gossip on you. Could be that what wants to come through. But how do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? That's what we're looking at. Okay. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel? Yes, this is what we saw with this energy about feeling anxious. It feels like there's a feeling here of someone's drawn to you, someone's attracted to you with the Seven of Pentacles, but not sure what to do next, not sure where to turn. Okay, we have the Hierophant. So the Hierophant here underneath it is telling us that there is a feeling of like this person wants something long term. However, they could be looking and thinking, does this person want this as well? Do we both want the same things? It feels like this person is trying to learn the lessons from it, or trying to seek meaning. They're trying to like put things together and think, but I want to get to know Jane on a deeper level, and right now I feel a bit spiritually disconnected, and I need to take some time to get myself together, so I can then come strong and appear like that candidate that she will see, like, oh yeah, I definitely could see myself with John. It feels like that energy, like this person's really trying to look at themselves in a deeper way and think, have I got what it takes? I know that I'm saying this is what I want in Jane or in my partner, but am I doing the things too? It feels like this person is looking at it on a deeper scale. Is there anything that wants to come through? Anything else that wants to come through for the collective? Anything else that wants to come through? Yes, this is what they're seeking. Clarity, the King of Swords. They're seeking that clarity with the King of Swords so that they can now release what is not needed. And that release that we can see is those worries. Can you see the moon? That's also giving us an inkling about worries, okay? And the deep feelings, wanting to get clear, as well as having a close look at those rocks, those boulders in the sea. It's like releasing those blockages so that they can seek that clarity, releasing what's not serving them. But they do have this feeling of, I honestly feel like there's something special between us. Okay, I truly feel like I found my soulmate, and that's what they're really hoping. And the fact that we see the Hierophant here, which represents the energy of institution and being, like, let's say for instance, marriage being an institution, okay, they really, this is where it feels like this is very much where they want to be, but they are seeking that clarity, wanting that clarity, and hoping that you feel the same way too, and that you can move towards that direction. So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go around here. I saw it go as Jamaican Patwa, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. But do have a look at our collective reading. How do they honestly feel? For more juicy intuitive gems. Okay, all of our readings at Gwan are timeless. So if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And big up yourselves every time. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea tippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring how do they honestly feel about you, okay? So how do they honestly and truly feel? So if you are new here, welcome, big up yourselves. To our subscribers, big up, okay? So we're going to gather those juicy intuitive gems that want to come through in this mini picker card, okay? As we explore how do they truly feel about you. So if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Come and join the family at Wagwan Tarot, okay? And also by subscribing, it allows to connect, engage with your energy so we can gather those juicy intuitive gems together, okay? So let's see the messages that are here for you. I truly feel like I can't imagine my life without you in it. Hope you can see that. Okay. So I truly feel like I can't imagine my life without you. I truly feel excited to see where our relationship goes. I honestly feel grateful for your patience and understanding. So it seems a bit blurry. I hope you can see. I honestly feel like you are my better half. I truly feel like we need to spend more quality time together. I truly feel like our love can overcome anything. I honestly feel excited every time I think about our future together. Ooh la la. So there is a lot of juicy messages coming through, collective. So let's have a quick look at a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come through for the collective. So reveal the message the collective needs to see. Reveal the message the collective needs to see. Oh, we've got one more card. How could we forget? Let's see what wants to come through. Okay, we have, you never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire. So this is telling us that the feelings have been ignited. Feelings have been ignited. Now the song that's coming through is Alicia Keys and Maxwell, The Fire We Make. Okay, the fire we make, we're going to keep it clean and classy. Keep it clean and classy. But there's definitely a message here about you making this person feel away. Feeling hot under the covers. Ooh la la. But it feels this energy of excited. Look at this. Feeling excited. Okay, feeling excited. Now it seems a lot clearer now. Feeling excited. Okay. Can't imagine life without you. Okay. Look at this. I honestly feel excited. Okay. I feel like you are my better half. It's giving that energy. Okay. So actions. Okay. Deep rooted feelings being ignited. We've got romance here. Look at that. Ooh la la. So let's see what the tarot wants to tell the collective right now. How do they honestly feel about you? 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 Okay. So let's see what wants to come through. How do they honestly feel about you? Whoa, 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 whoa. We have the tower. So the tower has shifted a lot of things. Now, the message that's coming through again is we've got to keep it clean and classy. But if you see what's going on, it's like there's been an eruption somewhere. There's been an eruption and it's shifted something. Again, keep it clean and classy. But it feels like there is definitely some strong sexual energy coming through, and it is making this person realize that they have a lot of feelings for you, a lot of deep feelings, a lot of deep feelings, a lot of deep feelings. Let's leave it there. Okay, let's have a look and see. Look at this. We have the Lovers card. Behind that Lovers card, we have the Empress in the reverse. So it could feel like this, perhaps this person is like getting used to this idea of like showing or connecting with their softer side, showing that to somebody. With the Lovers is representing the energy of like making that choice to come towards you, to be transparent. You see the nakedness. The nakedness is to be transparent. These feelings have been ignited and now they want to come forward. They want to tell you how they feel about you. Okay? Ooh la la. And we have the Death card. Then it's in the reverse position. So this is also telling us it's like this person is feeling this type of way of I want this to flourish. I want this to, but is it? Should I? It feels like it feels like this person is still trying to get used to the idea of coming to terms with how they feel. Okay, coming to terms with how they feel, and it feels like there's a feeling of they have to let go of that, like, and accept these feelings and do something about it. Okay. Whether it's like expressing and telling you how they feel and recognizing that, you know, it's a 50-50. It can go either way. This person can accept you or can be like, okay, maybe we should just be friends. It feels like this person is trying to juggle that feeling, okay? But it has triggered something and it's ignited something. It's made them feel. It's fallen on pile 3. So there's definitely an energy that it makes this person want the energy of expansion. Look what's behind here. This is the energy of the Empress. The energy of the Empress is number 3. Okay. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the middle. Oh, look at what's come. We have, look. Ooh, the energy is pulling on the 3 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. They want to talk. They want to collaborate with you. They want to see how you feel about things. We also have, look, the 6 of Pentacles coming through. So it's like, again, look at what we see here. The energy of really kind of coming together, talking about your feelings with one another, and feeling like this message here, that you can overcome anything. So put it in the comments down below. Let us know what's going on, collective. And do have a look at all of our other readings at Pick a Card readings at Gwan Tarot, as well as our Honestly How They Feel readings or collective readings. Okay, do have a look at our playlist for some more juicy intuitive gems. So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. This is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, so be sure to, look good, feel good, stay hydrated, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan.